Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how a vegan diet can be a game changer for those dealing with food allergies and intolerances. If you've been struggling to find safe and suitable food options, this video is for you. First off, let's dive into what a vegan diet is all about and how it can potentially benefit individuals facing food allergies and intolerances. By eliminating animal products, a vegan diet can help steer clear of common allergens that might be causing you trouble. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the challenges that come with having food allergies or intolerances. It can be incredibly tough to navigate through menus and grocery aisles, always worrying about hidden ingredients that could trigger a reaction. But fear not, because a vegan diet might just be the solution you've been looking for. By cutting out dairy, eggs, and other potential allergens, you're creating a safer space for your body to thrive without the constant threat of allergic reactions.
Switching to a vegan diet completely transformed my life. My food allergies are now manageable and I feel healthier overall.
After going vegan, I noticed a significant reduction in my intolerance symptoms. It's been a game changer for me.
In conclusion, a vegan diet holds immense potential in transforming the lives of those with food allergies and intolerances. By prioritizing plant-based meals, you're not only taking care of your health, but also contributing to a more sustainable and compassionate world. So I encourage you to give it a try. Start incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and see how it makes a difference for you. Don't forget to share your experiences or any questions you might have in the comments below. Together, we can explore the power of a vegan diet in managing food allergies and intolerances. Thanks for watching. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.